All right, guys, we are at home today. Today's Monday, December 2nd, 2019. And we've had a bit of a snowstorm here. Not too bad. We were supposed to get like 20 inches of snow, but I don't think we got more than about 5 or 6 so far. It's supposed to keep snowing for the next couple hours, but I don't think we're going to get much more. There's much worse up towards Albany. I think they got over a foot up there. So yeah, so we're just hanging around at home today. We got home Saturday night, and we all day Sunday, Monday. I'm probably going to be off all this week. I'm going down to Long Island this week to visit family, so I'm going to head down either tomorrow night or on Wednesday. And so there probably won't be a lot of trucking videos this week. But I try to give you a little something of what I'm doing. Right now I just got Bailey out for a walk. And snow seems to be letting up for now. Melissa's at work. There's the truck parked behind me in the snow. But Melissa's at work, and I gotta go pick her up. I took her this morning. Really wasn't all that bad, but I figured as long as I was home, I'd take her to work in the snow so she don't have to drive. Not doing too much today, just kind of relaxing. Gonna get my laundry done and a couple little odds and ends. Working on some videos, of course, always. Yeah, we'll just go back in the house now. Bailey, come on, girl. Let's go. Go in the back door here. All right, guys. Well, that's just a little update with what I'm doing. Hope you're having a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.